how to create form in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up one of your workspaces. Next is just click on add to workspace here at the top left and then click on form and then let's wait. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Now here you can begin customizing your form. So you can add form elements, add fields, dividers, and you can also upload files here as well. So you can also edit your title here, the format, and then you can also add description. Okay, so if you don't want to show the title and description, you can just toggle this on and then it'll not show this. Okay, so let's just name this test sheet, and then if you want to add description, you can do that as well. So if you want to add more here, you can just click on plus here and then just select your field type and then name your field. Okay, then click on OK. So like so, and then OK, then now you have a new field. Okay, so just play around with this however you want, and then you can just click on save here at the top right, and then there you go. Now you have your form. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.